Today, leaders are surrounded by data, dashboards, reports, spreadsheets, metrics. You have them all, everywhere. But most organizations struggle to make sense of that data. Your team doesn't know what to do with it, how to correct it, or how to take action on it. You want more accountability. You need your team to execute the plan. All the data and all the meetings just aren't getting you there. So you end up asking, what needs attention right now and who owns it? For over 3 decades, Competitive Solutions Inc. has answered that question. We have partnered with manufacturing organizations to strengthen leadership, improve execution, and sustain performance. We help operators drive results and closely tie strategy to execution. Visuant software from CSI closes the gap between information and action. It gives operations leaders real-time visibility into how work is being executed. With Visuant, expectations and ownership are clear at every level. Teams understand what matters today.
The Visuant system really allowed us to stay focused on what we need to do well, what's driving our business, and how we need to execute our leadership model so we can stay engaged, servicing our customers, and driving continuous improvement in our plan.
Visuant connects the metrics that matter to the actions that drive results, all in one system. Execution doesn't happen after the meetings, it happens inside the system. Working with CSI and implementing Visuant, manufacturers have seen some truly incredible results. With Visuant, leaders have visibility to performance, clarity replaces explanation, and accountability becomes consistent and sustainable. Stop guessing performance and start knowing with Visuant by Competitive Solutions.